Hello guys, this is Kid Soldier and I'm going to show you where to find this police car. It's over here at this police station. You guys know where this is, hopefully. And this is the Battle of the Gate Tony online multiplayer, and you can only find this on multiplayer, not anywhere else. And this has some well pickup, and it's this police car, and let's see how much speed it has. It's kind of like a drift car, so hope you guys like this video. And you can find it, I'm going to show you where to find this police car over here. You can find it at this police station. Oh. And there it is, guys, the other police car. You can find it right here, anywhere else. I hope you guys like this video. See you guys later.